8 weeks ago, I started building my eco dream home. We got the hole dug, laid the rebar, built the footings, poured the footings, put in more rebar and these huge anchor bolts. We added some form ply, and last week we poured the foundation walls, and it didn't really go as planned. And now it's time to reveal the concrete and see how it all turned out.
Welcome to demo day.
Woo! Yeah! Look at that beautiful concrete there.
It's good to see it's not as bad as we thought it was going to be, because that was a nightmarish pour.
Pretty happy with this.
Yeah, it looks good.
Look at that.
I do like where the oil is, how smooth it is. That's the only stuff you'll see, right?
Yeah, because your grade is going to be 8 inches below, so the grade will cover this second, or this line here.
Yeah.
But I'm happy, baby. It's
good.
It's good.
It is the first week of summer holidays for me, and summer is here. We are in full sun. I'm covered in sunscreen. I'm tired, but we're gonna do this. We have to take down all the flat bar because the flat bar has to go back tomorrow. So that is our goal today. Kevin's gonna work on the flat bar. I'm gonna keep denailing things and taking down all of that form ply. Welcome to demo day. This knockout here, I almost broke up with Kevin over. Not quite, but oh, I was angry because this was like so hard to dig out, and it was pretty much like, it was dry. It was pretty dry. And I had a shovel going. Scotty came and helped, but luckily, it's not too bad. We did get down to the pour strip, or the whatever that's, yeah. But really, it's not as bad as we thought it was going to be, because man, this was not fun. I don't ever want to do concrete again, and I still have to do it again, I guess. But yeah, it's a lot. It is so hot today that my camera keeps shutting off from being overheated. So we have not filmed a lot of our demo, but we're doing pretty good. We have all the bar off of the house. We just have the inside of the garage and the mechanical room yet to do. And we're gonna take a lunch break right away, and then we might just avoid the hottest part of the day and start working again in the evening. This part of the garage is actually like in the shade, which is nice. So that's why we were like thinking we would start working in the evenings. But it is hard to get back to work after you've taken a break. Like we quit at 12:30. But yeah, I mean, like everything, like my eyeballs were sweating. It was so bad. Anyways, we still have the garage to do, the sunroom, and the mechanical room to take the flat bar down. Flat bar has to go back by tomorrow morning, so it needs to get done. So it will get done. Okay, so I have been really struggling with removing these things, and Kevin just does it so easily.
Nice and square.
Nice and square.
maybe 3 or 4 or 5, maybe 6 taps. See how it works?
Yeah.
3 taps there. Ah. Oh. There we go.
Okay, let me try. Thing is I just don't hit it square, I think.
Ah, shoot.
See, it starts to bend.
Let's see. Let's get in there. Yeah, it bent. As soon as it bends, you're hooped.
I know.
Once it's bent,
I'm like, screw it, I give up. Ah!
Once it's bent, I think your only option is to just hit it hard.
I know, and then I have to break the metal and like here instead of.
There, we got it.
But I'm not good at it. That's why I'll do the other stuff, like the crowbar.
There, you got that one. Oh.
Okay. Well, I'll take all the other stuff off and then I'll help you with the bar.
Isn't that bar the cat's pajamas?
It is. The cat's pajamas, yeah. Okay, we just finished the garage and the maintenance and the mechanical room. We just finished the garage and the mechanical room. I am so, like, my whole face sweats, like my cheeks sweat. I don't know how I'm gonna build this house this summer. Like, it's only gonna get hotter. And it's evening now. Having fun? Oh my gosh. Like, my sweat is sweating. That's how hot I am. All right, I just put the last of this flat bar into the truck, and which means I won. Lots of times I will race Kevin to do stuff. I usually pick the easier task, that way I can win. But I definitely finished before him. Hey Kevin! Guess what?
What?
I'm done.
I can't swear on you.
He's got 11 bars left. My dad gave me his old truck, and at the time I was like riding a bike and walking in Victoria, and I was like, no Dad, I don't want your gas burning, oil burning like truck. Like, why would I need that? He's like, well, you need it to move from, you know, like Victoria to your new place. And I was like, I really didn't want it. And now it's literally like the best gift he's ever given me is this old truck. Yeah, I've been able to haul garden soil and mulch and compost and bricks and now building materials. So I really hope it holds on. This is a pretty heavy load it has. We even put the 4-foot flat bar in the inside of the truck. So I don't know. I'm sure these trucks can handle this much weight, but it makes me nervous. Kevin's gonna drive it back tomorrow morning. So yeah. Anyways, if you're watching, Dad, thanks for the truck. My little environmental heart doesn't like driving a big truck, but honestly, I kind of need it. So I love it. Yeah, it's great to have. You're doing a great job, babe. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. I guess I could go grab them, start loading them in the truck. Starting to feel a little bit guilty, so I think I'm gonna move a few more things. Help out a little bit more. Oh no! There's more bar up top here.
Oh, guess what?
Oh no!
I just finished.
No!
Oh.
Oh, did you just put this here? Oh, I totally thought I was. Damn it.
I guess I
Oh.
beat
Okay, but I would have had that all done if I would have saw it. I just didn't see it there. I thought I'd moved all the stuff off the wall. I can't believe I forgot this stuff. That's what I get for gloating. Hopefully this is the last day of stripping these footings. We're saving all the form ply, so we just scrape off the concrete. That's what I'm doing right now. And then pile it up and we'll use it for the hempcrete. And your stacks of wood just keep growing. More stacks, more stacks. Some in the bush even over there. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm excited for this stage to be over.